Alright guys, we got parts everywhere. Parts everywhere. Here's Allen's 98 YN Silver GT. So we got Steven's 98 Chrome Yellow, soon to be Screaming Yellow done. Let me pop the hood real quick. Alright guys, so we did a complete color change on the Chrome Yellow. We went to Screaming Yellow. So Steven has his engine built, and I think it's almost ready, and they're gonna reinstall it, get it running, and then we're gonna come back to do the outside. This is Chrome Yellow, same as Canary for $94.95, but this is faded with over 250,000 miles, so it's had its time in the sun, so it kind of looks like zinc compared to this fresh Screaming Yellow. So anyway, I pulled everything as you guys saw in the video, painted some of the stuff black. He actually spray painted half the engine bay himself a couple years ago, and I hate that shit. So he got paint all over the cowl panel and shit, so I had to repaint all that stuff with black, and then I clear coated it just so that way it didn't look like I got overspray on stuff, because you guys know how we do, and we do not get overspray on stuff. So I had to do that just to make it look nice and make it look like that I didn't do it. So he's got the tubular front setup. I put that in at the old shop probably 5 years ago. I went ahead and painted his radiator hold downs, his airbag sensors, his hood latch. We're going to get a new header panel when we do the full paint job. I'll probably paint that black, kind of like we did on Babs. New LMR stickers for both sides for 98. I painted all the brackets for the AC and stuff like that. So yeah, it's looking good. It's ready. We're going to deliver it back to the other shop. That way he can have the engine installed. Oh, we did went ahead and painted his rotors, and we painted his brake calipers. We just went with a YN silver. I thought yellow would be too much, and black you really don't see it, so we did the TKO gray caliper bracket, and then the calipers we did silver with the black lettering. So they turned out great, and we went ahead and did the back. I know it takes a lot of extra time, and we just did it. Steven's a high school friend, so we kind of just surprised him with it, and I wasn't going to tell anyone, but look at that. I went ahead and painted his Hydro Boost Mystic. I was painting Daniel's front and rear bumper and side skirts and stuff, and I left that in the booth, so it got some Mystic on it, and I just said, oh, what the hell, so I just sprayed it real quick and then clear coated it when I cleared the bumpers and stuff. So anyway, I'm not going to tell Steven. We'll see if he'll notice. So anyway, that's almost ready to get loaded on the trailer this evening after it gets off. So we have Ryan's over here. Ryan's a subscriber. He's rocking the TKO Resto decal on the side. So this is a 94 Rio Red Cobra. He's got the American Muscle like 13, 14 GT500 mags. Car's hot. He's going to get a ceramic coat pretty soon. He's been buffing on it, but you can still see all the holograms and stuff. So he just needs the TKO touch and then the coating. So anyway, we put BBK Shorty equal length headers on that. So that's done. We didn't really show that. We did it last night. We've been kind of just working, so not filming, so I apologize for that. But right now we got Tim's car on the lift, and we're pulling a gas tank today. He's got a brand new one from LMR. We got pull the exhaust, pull the rear end. We're going to paint the rear end, and then Brent's fixing the pinch welds right now because people don't know how to jack up cars. So Tim, you know how that is. I think you bought the car with it like that, so I know you wouldn't have done that, and you have a lift, so. But anyway, that's just a pet peeve of ours. So we're going to paint underneath from like here out, and then all this is undercoating. So we're working on that today. We do have a 99 to 04 88 rear end that we went ahead and base coat clear coated. We had Alan degrease it and scuff it all up and stuff. So this is just for sale. We're parting that 2000 GT out there, and big news, we're getting our lot black topped. So we're parting that car out as fast as we can. That way we can get it out of the way so they can put the blacktop down out there. So there's not going to be any more dust floating around everywhere. So then, other than that, we got Chelsea's car in here. She has a 16. This is a Golf R. So it's kind of like a Cobra R. It's got like right over 10,000 miles on it. It actually looks really mint on camera, but dude, there's so many imperfections in the paint from them washing it. So anyway, this is getting a full TKO ceramic coating on the wheels, trim, windows, everything, brake calipers, all that stuff. So that's what this is in here for. Alex and I did wash it yesterday. We got all the contaminants off. We did the Iron X, got all the iron off the wheels and doors and stuff like that. Alex already clay barred the windows. And now I'm going to start buffing on it, and then we'll coat it probably, maybe tonight. Yeah, might coat it tonight. If not tonight, tomorrow, and then it's got to sit. So she'll definitely have the car back by fuck around Friday. So anyway, that's an R. It's pretty cool. I know a lot of you guys don't want to see it, but it is, I think, is it all-wheel drive, Brent?
I don't know.
It might be. I think it's all-wheel drive. I don't know. Some of you guys probably know, but it's pretty cool. I'll show you the inside real quick. Leather gut. It's probably got Ricky's. It's got R seats, so they're probably Recaros or something. I'm sure the R has a bunch of features, just like the Mustang Cobra R does, that the regular ones don't have. So anyway, we'll show you guys that after we coat it, because it's going to look a hell of a lot better. I'm trying to get the scratches in here, but it just looks really good. I mean, that's just dry water, but there's scratches all in it. So anyway, that's all going to come out. Then we got so anyway, we're just going to get this stuff pulled. We'll keep you guys up to date, and stay tuned.
Alright guys, so we've got Alan here dropping the rear end. We're going to drop the exhaust, drop the fuel tank, and we've got quite a few things to fix underneath here. Tim wants it to be really, really nice, and he wants us to like paint the inside or the outer side of the frame rails, kind of like we did on Babs. So we've just got a lot of work to do, knocking the stuff out, and the weather is awesome out. So I mean, we're excited. We love it.
Yep, so he's got the older style SVO diff cover, which is cool as hell. We'll clean that up. We got to put an axle seal in, repaint the rear end, paint the brake calipers to match. We already painted the front silver. Pull the exhaust. He's got the 3-inch exhaust, which looks badass on this car.
Looks cool.
Like I said in the other segment, we got a brand new gas tank we're going to put in, so we'll probably paint his gas tank cover. And then pull his control arms and everything. So we're just kind of giving you guys a little time lapse right now of pulling it, so you guys enjoy. That's how it's done. So now we're going to take the brakes off, clean them all up, get new hardware. It's actually missing the clip that goes in right here and the clips on the outside. So we're going to hook you up, Tim, get you all new hardware. And you lost a wheel weight right here. Stick on. We don't like stick-ons. Anyway, I'm wearing these dumbass gloves. All I have is orange. I want the black ones. But I think I'm going to pull this diff cover off and we'll change the fluid, and then I think we're going to paint this. I'm going to paint it silver because just this bare aluminum just gets tarnished over time. So I'll paint it silver, maybe the SVO green or something, so it'll look pretty cool. And actually this is loose too. So this needs retightened. All right, Brent. Brent's going to Jessica Auto Parts. We'll see if he actually comes back this time. I think he will though. So anyway, Tim, yeah, we'll get you hooked up on the brakes and repaint that. We're going to pull the exhaust off, gas tank out, and we'll just do a time lapse of it right now, so enjoy.
Whoa. Yes! Oh my god. Oh my god, I did. Is this bad? Is this bad? You should pull that out. That shit is not cool. The door, man. You got a fucking door in your neck.